Hello students, today we are going to see one of the problem of integration, and the question is integration of under root 1 plus 3x minus x square dx. So here first of all we should try to make this in the formula type, maybe the formula under root of a square minus x square or x square minus a square something. So let's start. So the first is just we are taking this value. The value is 1 plus 3x minus x square. Let it be under root. Now let's take x minus common. Why we are taking minus common? Because this x square should be the positive one. Minus of x square minus 3x plus values will become minus, and minus 1 just we are taking dx is no needed, just we kept integration up only. Okay, now let's make this a minus b whole square. This is a square minus 2ab plus b square. This will be equal to a minus b whole square. Okay, so this is a square, minus is common, no? A square minus 2ab, a value is x, b value what should be? In order to make 3 by 3 is 3 by 2. Yes, see, just 2 to get cancelled here and we'll get 3x. Now what we should do? Adding and subtracting 3 by 2 whole square. Why we are adding and why we are subtracting? Because adding and subtracting is 0 only. Because we are adding in order to make the formula. Minus 1. Complete here root is there, yeah. This entire value is under root. Now, this is now a square minus 2ab b square. The formula is a minus b whole square. A minus b 3 by 2 whole square. What the remaining we get? Minus 3 3 the 9 by 2 square means 2 to the 4. Minus 1 is there. Just we'll take LCM of 1. What will be 4? 9 minus 1 by 4. What the value will be? 9 minus 4 is 5. Not 5. Minus 9 minus 4. So the value will be 13. Just I am writing up. X minus 3 by 2 whole square minus 13 by 4. Okay. Now this minus should be sent inside. It will be 13 by 4 and minus of x minus 3 by 2 whole square. Yes, this was nothing, bracket I used to keep, I thought to keep. Now 13 we can write root 13, 4 we can write 2 whole square. Okay, minus this we can write what? Just 2x minus 3 we can write, yeah, 2x minus 3 by 2 whole square. Now we have got the formula. What the formula is that? That is under root a square minus x square. I will write formula in the next page, just you see. Yeah, here I have wrote the formula. The formula is integration of x square minus a square minus x square is equal to x by 2 a square under root a square minus x square plus a square by 2 into sine inverse x by a plus c. This is the big formula, yeah. The question was integration of under root 3 by 2 whole square minus 2x minus 3 by 2 whole square. The value of a is root 13 by 2. In the same way, the value of x is 2x minus 3 by 2. Okay. Now in the place of x, just keep this. In the place of a, just keep this. X is 2x minus 3 by 2 by 2. X by 2. A square minus x square. A square minus a square, all is what? This. This value, what it was there? It was this only, no? 1 plus 3x minus x square. This value we have got this. So in the place of this we can write this. Okay. So what we have to write? Just the question from where we have begun. 3x minus x square plus a square. A square is root 13 by 2 whole square. By 2 is there? No. Yeah. Sine inverse x by a. What is the value of x? 2x minus 3 by 2. By a value, what is there? Root 13 by 2. Okay. Just big one is there, yeah. Plus c. 2 get cancelled. Yes, not. 2 by 1 it is. If it go up, what it will be? 1 by 2. It won't cancel. Every time keep in the mind. Okay. See. 2x plus 3. If it goes up, it will become 1 by 2. Yes. It will become 1 by 2. 2 to the 4. 2x plus 3 by 4. Into 1 plus 3x minus x square. Here what will be? Root 13 into 13 is 13. Here what will be? 2 to the 4. And same way it will go up, means it will become 8. 4 to the 8. Sine inverse. Now this 2 and this 2 get cancelled. See, if it goes up, it will become 2 by root 3. 2 get cancelled. Root 13 it will be. Yes. So 2x minus 3 by root 13 plus c. So this is the answer for the problem. Somewhat the formula is lengthy, problem is long, but it's very important. Even it can give an essay or short. Hoping that you have understood. Thank you.